Hi there, this is Vladimir and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play an acoustic guitar. This video is for beginner. So if you're a pro and you know everything, you can skip the video. But I will be happy if you watch the video. But anyway, let's proceed to the guitar lesson. I'm going to teach you the basic chords A to G. I'm going to start in the letter A. B, C, D, E, F, G, next is the minor chords. A minor, B minor, C minor, D minor, E minor, F minor, G minor, you can check the chords into the internet. It's all lines and dots. If you don't know how to read it, just comment down below and I'm going to make another video. So you will know where you're going to put your fingers. Next is the strumming. I recommend you use some pick so you will not going to hurt your fingers. I'm going to put G chords for better sound. This is the downstroke strumming. You can put some beat. Next is the up and down strumming. You can add some beat. Next is down, down, up, up, down, down, strumming. Just keep practicing until you get better. Once you master that, now you can play your acoustic guitar. Passenger seat. So there you go, and there you have it. I hope you learn how to play an acoustic guitar. So if you like this video, please click on the subscription down below, notification bell. Like this goddamn video. You're fucking amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.